Welcome to this sonata form lecture. I'd like to review what the most important concepts about sonata form are in this short presentation. First of all, I want to emphasize that the sonata principle is the contrast of two different tonal centers in the exposition, with a development that explores other tonal areas and a recapitulation that emphasizes the home key. First, if it's a major key, it's most likely to move to the dominant. If it's a minor key, it's most likely to move to the dominant or to the relative major. You'll need to memorize this diagram on the screen of sonata form. This chart represents the most common tonal expectations in sonata forms from the classical era, specifically from the 1750s to the 1830s, though it's used all the way up to the present. If you look at the sample chart of Mozart's Symphony 40, you can see where each of these areas is represented in a single chart. You should create charts just like this for each piece you analyze. I have another video that you can watch after this on how to use LaRue's symbols to best analyze and organize your sonata form compositions. I want to make a specific distinction between theme groups and melodies. While many composers indeed use contrasting melodies in the exposition, some composers, like Haydn for example, like to write monothematic expositions, where the primary theme group and the secondary theme group use the same or similar melodic material. The music is still classified as a sonata because the composer begins in the tonic and then moves to a contrasting tonal area for the second theme group. Here's an example of Haydn Symphony where you can see the primary theme and the secondary theme and how they're very similar but in two different keys.